What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome to another property tour episode. So today's episode is basically like a flashback Friday, or whatever day it is of the week that you're watching this, a flashback that day. Essentially, one of the earlier videos, probably the second or third video I ever posted on this channel, was about a $1,400 unit or $1,450 unit in Centro, which is in downtown Miami, back in November of 2020, right before all this craziness that we all know happened. And what was crazy about that was that even at that time, that was a very, very affordable price for a one-bedroom unit in Centro, and especially in downtown Miami, because the average price points for one bedrooms were at $1,800. I decided to make that video because of how unique and how affordable that particular unit was and how rare it was even back then. Now, come 2022 now, that same unit my team just rented for $2,800. So essentially, within that time span, it's doubled. And this is a very good showcase of exactly how much rent has increased in Miami over the course of the last, 12 to 18 months. How I've been saying on this channel practically every single video since I've made since that last video or that first video. But what I'm getting at is that for $2,800 now, you can get that same or very similar apartment to the video that I made for $1,400 a month, which kind of blew my mind because as real estate agents, we're just naturally progressing in this, market and trend. And yes, we notice things go up, but it's not until you take a step and look back to just see how far things have come where you realize, wow, the market has made tremendous leeway, tremendous progress, and has increased so significantly that rents have just naturally doubled, and people are still renting, people are still buying. So is that going to mean that this is the right property for you? Who knows? Obviously, you guys are going to check out in today's video to see if it's worth the $2,800, but obviously it's worth whatever somebody's willing to pay, and a lot of people are willing to pay that to live in the downtown and Brickell area. So without further ado, we're going to get started with that video. And if you're interested in seeing the original video that I made, I'm going to post that somewhere here on screen so you could check that out. As always, guys, before we get started, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new to the channel for more Miami property tour content like this video, and help me out by leaving a comment and engaging with the content, as that will tell YouTube that this is the type of video and content that most of you guys want to see. Without further ado, let's get started with today's property tour video. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.